10 Blackstone recipes. The first one is Blackstone fried rice. Next, we're adding a splash of soy sauce and some seasoning to spice things up. Then, it's time to toss everything onto the black stove. I've got some fresh bell peppers and green onions here, just using the whites for now. The chicken is about halfway done, looking golden and delicious. And now comes the fun part. Mix it all together and watch those flavors come alive. Flavorful recipe packed with veggies, scrambled eggs, soy sauce, and tender grilled chicken or shrimp. Next, we have the Blackstone Cowboy Stir Fry, a hearty mix of steak strips, bell peppers, onions, and a kick of BBQ sauce. Perfect for a quick and smoky dinner with a cowboy twist. I'll take a little bit of salsa, little bit of sauce. Turn up the heat with Blackstone Mexican street corn. Charred corn on the cob slathered in a creamy mayo lime sauce, topped with crumbled cottage cheese and chili powder. A fiesta for your taste buds. Now, ready Blackstone Mexican street corn. Number 4 is Blackstone Philly Cheesesteak. How thick your steak is, just so that it slightly frees. Craving a classic? The Blackstone Philly Cheesesteak is loaded with tender, griddled steak, caramelized onions, bell peppers, and melty provolone cheese, all tucked into a toasted hoagie roll. Look at all that cheesy goodness. Place one hand on top of your roll slide. Now you've got one look so delicious. Number 5 is Blackstone Cajun green beans. Today we're going to show you how to make the best Blackstone Cajun green beans. Mix it up, always coming together. Melt some butter in the pan and incorporate that with the green beans you might need. We're taking a holiday side dish to a whole new level. Number 6 is Blackstone Crunch Wrap. Cheese, lettuce, sour cream, and a crunchy tostada inside a perfectly toasted tortilla wrap. Number 7 is Blackstone Smash Burgers. When you see liquid at the top of the burger, all burger to avoid the sogginess. Come a little closer. Oh, mustard. Maybe some onions, iceberg? That incredible texture, that incredible surface area that make a smash burger on the Blackstone E-Series. I hope you give this method a try. Number 8 is Reuben burger. A little bit of corned beef and a little bit of pastrami, a Blackstone twist on the classic sandwich, corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and Thousand Island dressing come together for an epic burger experience. Now Reuben burger is ready. 9th number is Blackstone Mushroom Swiss Burger. White onion and a mustard and mushrooms right over the top. A little bit of barbecue sauce, 2 slices of Swiss cheese. What I'm hoping here is that this melts over the side. Add our buns. You can put those in the beef fat. Boy, open and take a bite, my friends. The last one is Ultimate Blackstone Breakfast. Oh, as I always boil the griddle up. And I always thought that was kind of weird. Definitely gonna be doing this again. A hearty platter of eggs, bacon, sausage, hash browns, and fluffy pancakes all cooked together on the griddle. Breakfast has never been this good.